Sun through the window, dust on my hands. Quiet like waiting for something to land. You sit across, eyes down, half gone. Table between us, words mostly withdrawn. Splinters trace my palm. Swallow, stay calm. It's just wood, but it holds away. Morning light won't walk away. It's just wood, but you press your hands like you want answers from where it stands. On the sill, your face in shadow, neither of us will. Splinters trace my palm. Swallow, stay calm. It's just wood, but it holds the weight. Morning light won't you press your hands like you want answers from where it stands. Hands on the table, mine and yours. Still as winter, quiet wars. If I move, would you stay? Would you fall? It's just wood, holds everything. What we lost, what we bring. It's just wood, but it holds the weight. Morning light still won't sing. Sun through the window, dust start to spin. Table remembers where we have been. Quiet field, borderline, fencing, grass and shadow pine. You stand, distant eyes, old mistakes in the morning light. Every word like stones lay between our shoes. Still wind moves the low branches, rushes past, no questions asked. We stand in the hush that passes, nothing left to say, but we last. Scars in the bark don't speak, just stay, just stay. Footsteps tangled, weed and wire, swallow backwood, anger dry. Echoes rest, heavy air, watching frost where old hopes lie. Still it draws us back to this fraying road. Still wind moves the low branches, brushes past, no questions asked. We stand in the hush that passes, nothing left to say, but we last. Scars, the bark don't speak, just stay. Just stay. If we must circle slow and bruised, meeting eyes but never moving through. Different love right shown, maybe it's me love too. Still wind moves the low branches, brushes past, no questions asked. We stand in the hush that passes, nothing left to say, but we last. Scars in the bark don't speak, just stay. You stay. I've been sitting by this window pane, watching seasons come and go like rain. The coffee's cold, the morning's gray, and I can't remember yesterday. My thoughts drift like autumn leaves through memories I can't retrieve. The clock just ticks away the hours while I count wilted garden flowers. It's just dust and time sailing on my mind. Dust and time. There's a photograph upon the shelf of a woman who looks like myself, but younger, brighter than I am, before the world broke all her plans. I trace the outline of her face, wonder how she'll always from hope the girl who forgot her dreams and goals. It's just us in time, settling on mine. Dust and time. Maybe tomorrow I'll clean this place. Maybe tomorrow I'll find my grace. But today I sit and watch the sun mark another day that's come undone. The teacup rings stain the old oak table. My hands shake more than they are able to hold the weight of all these years of unspoken words and unshed tears. But in this quiet, broken space, I'm learning how to find my place among the dust that gathers here between regret and fading fields. It's just us and time settling on my mind. Just in time, I've been sitting by this window pane, watching seasons come and go like rain. Coffee gets cold in the morning light, steam rising from a cup too full. The chair across from me sits still, like it's waiting for someone to pull. There's an empty table where we used to sit. Empty table, can't get used to it. All these spaces that used to fit. Empty table, always will. Empty table where we used to sit. Empty table, can't get used to it. Two plates in the cabinet, one comes down. Salt and pepper standing side by side. The morning paper folded neat, with no one here to read and slide. There's an empty table where we used to sit. Empty table, can't get used to it. All these spaces that you used to fill. Empty table, always will. Empty table where we used to sit. Empty table, can't get used to it. Sunday mornings feel too long when the silence fills the room. Every creak and settling sound echoes like an empty tune. I set your place out of habit still, though I know you won't come home. The kitchen holds our history, and every corner, every stone. There's an empty table where we used to sit. Empty table, can't get used to. All these spaces that you used to fill. Empty table, always will. Empty table where we used to sit. Empty table, can't get used to it. Empty table, always will. You asked me what I was afraid of. La la la. I couldn't find the words that day. Now I know, now I see it. Heart to 10, now I see. It's watching sand slip through my fingers when there's still so much to say. We're living this morning early. La la la. Said the doctors wanna talk again. I held the phone against my shoulder while I made your coffee black, the way you like it, the way you've always had it, before everything went wrong. We're living on borrowed time, borrowed time. Oh, every heartbeat's just alone. Borrowed time, borrowed time. And I can't bear to face it alone. I count the pills beside your water glass. I memorize the way you laugh. And nothing much and everything. Oh, how I wish I could give you mine. All of mine. So tell me what you're thinking of. When you stare out the yard, know you see what I can't see yet. Spring that we might not both share. But I'm here now, I'm right here now. That has to count for something. We're living on borrowed time, borrowed time. Oh, every heartbeat's just alone. Borrowed time, borrowed time. But we don't have to face it alone. La la la. We don't have to face it alone. You carry your heart like a burden, heavy between your ribs. I watch you walk through my kitchen like water through a sea. Are you always passing through every place you've ever been? Are you always passing through, never staying, never staying? Your coffee sits there growing cold while you stare out at the rain. I know that look behind your eyes, like you're already on a train. Are you always passing through every place you've ever been? Are you always passing through, never staying, never staying? There's just God knows what is your suitcases, but your shoes are worn thin. Tell me what you're running from that won't let you settle in. Are you always passing through every place you've ever been? Oh, are you always passing through, never staying, never staying? Never staying. Coffee cold on kitchen table, morning light through curtains thin, empty chair beside the window where you used to sit and grin. On this empty porch I'm waiting for your footsteps on the stairs. Every creak sounds like you're coming, but there's nobody there. Nobody there. Nobody there. Garden grows without your tending, weeds between the roses climb. Clock ticks loud in silent kitchen, marking all this borrowed time. On this empty porch I'm waiting for your footsteps on the stairs. Every creak sounds like you're coming, but there's nobody there. Nobody there. Nobody there. Used to hear you humming softly while you swept the morning dew. Now just silence fills the spaces that were always filled by you. On this empty porch I'm waiting for your footsteps on the stairs. Every creak sounds like you're coming, but there's nobody there. Nobody there. Nobody there. Nobody there. Papa left me when I was 3. Mama left me when I was 17. Brother left me for the army green. Now you're packing what's in me. Everyone left me too, left me too. Everyone I love left me too, just like you. Dog left me, got too old. Best friend left me, story's been told. Job left me when times got cold. Now you're leaving, heart's been sold. Everyone I love left me too, left me too. Everyone I love left me too, just like you. House left me, couldn't pay. Youth left me yesterday. Hope left me somewhere along the way, but you promised you would stay. Everyone I love left me too, left me too. Everyone I love left me too, now you too, left me too, left me too, left me too, left me too. Left me too, left me too. Everyone I love left me too, even you. Why don't you come back to the place where we oh la la la? Why don't you come? Tell me what happened that day. Come back, come back. Come on, come back where you belong. Come back home. La 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 la. Coffee cold on the counter. Chair still sits where you why can't you come? Answer the phone when it rings. God, I'm back, come back, come bound back where you belong. Come back home. Come back, come back, come home. Come back. Seasons change, seasons turn. Leaves fall, leaves burn. Still I wait, still I wonder. La la la.
Counting days, I'm counting the pages, marking time with coffee stains, empty spaces. Your favorite mug still hanging in the kitchen cabinet, untouched and waiting like everything else in this house that holds your memory. Wondering if you think about the way we used to sit together in the morning quiet, reading different books but sharing the same silence, and how you hum those little melodies while making breakfast, filling up the empty corners with your presence.
Come back, come back, come bound back where you belong. Come back, come back, come back home, come back home. Bye bye, bye bye, don't you, bye bye, la la la. Why don't you come home? La 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 la. You say I'm changing like leaves, but I'm still here. Still waters run deep, run deep. Still waters run deep, my love. Still waters run deep, run deep, beneath what you believe. Still waters run deep. Silent steps softly skating across this aching autumn air between. Storms may shake the surface smooth, but storms stay settled sure. Still waters run deep, run deep. Still waters run deep, my love. Still waters run deep, beneath what you believe. Still waters run deep. What you see isn't always all there is. What you see isn't always all I am. Tender touch of time will tell the truth that trembles